Five flours you can use to replace wheat that won't cause blood sugar spikes or cancer. When talking about flour, the first thing that comes to your mind is wheat flour, right? Actually, flour is just a powder made by grinding up something else into the proper size. Flour can be made from all kinds of grains, roots, seeds, or beans. Talking from paleo perspective, the two most popular types of flour are coconut flour, ground up coconut, and almond flour, ground up almonds. Both of them are known to have pros and cons, and you can have them both in your kitchen, but, however, you might prefer one or the other. We have a few more flour options. 1. Coconut flour. Compared to almond flour, coconut flour is rich in fiber, 10 grams versus 3 grams from a 1/4 cup, and it is much more absorbent. Coconut flour consists of ground up coconut meat following a pressing process for coconut milk. If you decide to use this flour in cooking, it is recommended to use little amounts of it, and it is preferable to be mixed with eggs. Coconut flour is rich in inulin in fiber, so it is great at absorbing the liquid. With its sweet flavor, you can use coconut flour for preparing cakes, muffins, brownies, pizza crust, etc. Its texture is a bit dry for baking, so it can also be used as a coating in recipes like chicken fingers. 2. Almond flour. Almond flour is made from ground up blanched almonds and is known as the paleo flour with the best taste. It can be used in recipes like waffles, muffins, cakes, and any kind of baked goods. Compared to coconut oil, almonds are lower in carbs and richer in proteins. Moreover, they have a rich content of omega-6. One almond is made from 1.1 gallons of water, and most almonds in the United States have an origin from California, which we know that is currently in a drought. 3. Chestnut flour. Chestnut flour is similar to almond flour, but it has a stronger, nutty taste. Considering the fact that chestnuts are tree nuts, they have less fat and a starkier composition. They can be consumed raw, boiled, baked, or even roasted over an open fire. They have 47 mg/100 grams of phytic acid, compared to 760 mg/100 grams in walnuts and 1,280 mg/100 grams in almonds. Only 100 grams of chestnuts contain 43% vitamin C, 17% potassium, 25% copper, 25% B6, and 59% manganese. Moreover, they are low in carbs, 53 grams of carbs in 100, 5 of which are coming from fiber. 4. Tiger nut flour. If you did not know, tiger nuts are a root vegetable. Tiger nut flour has a pleasant taste, a 1-to-1 replacement ratio to wheat flour, and it does not have a strange aftertaste like some gluten-free flours. You can use tiger nut milk on a daily basis, tiger nut flour for baked goods, or prepare raw tiger nuts by soaking them overnight in water. 1 ounce of tiger nuts has 19 grams of carbohydrates and 10 grams of fiber. Moreover, they are abundant with monounsaturated fats. 5. Cassava flour. Cassava, often referred to as yuca, is a root vegetable used by many people in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. The bleached and extracted cassava root starch contains the fiber. Usually, this flour is used for preparing tapioca pudding. This flour has a smooth, neutral taste and a similar texture to wheat flour, and it is used in the same proportions as wheat flour, except for yeast-based recipes. It can be also used for baked goods, while its root can be fried, boiled, or mashed, just like potatoes. Although it can be consumed in the case of an autoimmune paleo diet, you should know that this flour is richer in carbohydrates, 78 grams per cup, and 4 grams of fiber. Also, we should mention that if you are buying it from a grocery store, It is very important to boil the root because it can lead to cyanide poisoning. The sweet variety is known to have less hydrogen cyanide compared to bitter varieties. Note, there are some people who may be allergic to this plant. The American Cancer Society claims that people with a latex rubber allergy are more likely to be prone to this allergy as well.